Hello, curious student. Today you and I are going to build a couple treehouse glass showpiece using ChatGPT. As you can see on the right side, we have a couple seated below a treehouse reading a book placed inside a glass dome. Let's check the prompt for the image. The first part is to create a hyper-realistic diorama. A diorama is a three-dimensional miniature scene, which is enclosed in a display box. In our case, we are enclosing the diorama in a glass dome popularly known as glass cloche. We have added a treehouse in spring season where the tree is filled with pink flowers. Small bulbs are added for decoration. Next, we have added a cooking grill. The couple is seated reading a book. You can customize the outfits of the couple. For color combinations, I would recommend Canva color palette. Next, we have added two flower pots and a statue for decoration. Little details like this go a long way in making the image more beautiful and aesthetic. The area around the house is a garden, and there are butterflies added to increase the beauty of the image. The background behind the glass dome is also a blurred garden. You can customize the color of dome's base and then add names as per your requirements. The ambient light is daytime and vibrant as well. Once you paste this prompt as per your custom scenes in ChatGPT, you will get the rendered image. Feel free to share it on different social media platforms or with someone special as well. The prompt is shared in the first comment of this video. If you are on desktop, then you can copy it from the first comment. In case you are on mobile, the prompt is also present in video's description to be copied on phone. Go ahead and generate the image. If you found this prompt useful, then come back and hit the like button. I share such useful ChatGPT prompts almost daily on this channel, so consider subscribing for more such content. Whether you are aspiring content creator, social media manager, or someone looking to grow their online presence, this channel has many more such videos to help you. That's it from my end for today. See you all in the next video. Have a nice day ahead.